स्टारलिंक के बारे में तो आपने सुना ही होगा. तो स्टारलिंक is a company which is owned by Tesla, or you can say a very famous person, Elon Musk. Now you know that Starlink is going to provide internet services using satellite to rural areas, or you can say to those areas where you can say our Indian companies are unable to provide internet. So you can say through optical fiber. So ultimately, Starlink will provide internet with the help of satellite. No doubt, this is going to be a big change in our economy. So first of all, no doubt it will, you can say, reduce the gap between digital divide, that is urban and rural, in terms of, you can say, internet penetration. But there is one challenge, and that challenge is cost. The cost of providing internet using satellite will be higher than the cost of, you can say, getting internet services, that is with the help of towers and optical fibers. So this will be the major challenge. Now, no doubt, some are saying that initially it will be a challenge, but later it will get resolved. But yes, it will get resolved if satellite internet will be, or you can say services through satellite internet will be provided at large scale, means that is to masses. But what is the problem then? In that case, the problem will be that companies which have already invested in optical fibers and towers, they will raise concern that our investment will get wasted. So this is the challenge, and we have to see that how our economy as well as government will going to resolve such challenge.